Yeah, good evening, everybody. Honorable Commissioner, good evening. First and foremost, I have to say I'm very happy to be here. This is where I grew up, started my football career in Sharks back then. And I left this place a footballer, and I'm back as a coach. The inspiration, you all know, as a coach, you know, there are chapters that you have to close, and new ones have to emerge. I think Honorable Commissioner approached me, called me, and I felt I must honor him. Rivers United is a very big team, and yeah, seeing the results last season inspired me to come back here. As a Port Harcourt boy, you know, come back here and see how I can, you know, impact a little bit. I've been working in Abia State for some time, and I think this is an opportunity for me to give back. You know, that's why I decided to take this challenge to come back to Rivers State. I'm not here for fun. We all know Rivers State. Garden City is a nice place.